Okay, I just want to show what I've done. I've bonded this all these magnets on the rotor. I had put the template in place, but I couldn't take it off in one piece, so that template's gone. I'm gonna have to make another template for the next one. It kind of stuck to the glue, and I even had some glue all around the edges here. I had to scrape it off with a plastic scraper, and I had a piece of copper here that I was able to scrape it off with. Otherwise, I tried originally with a screwdriver, but believe it or not, you can't handle the screwdriver between these magnets. It's flying all over the place. So I'd rather be safe than sorry, and copper is not influenced by the magnetic field, so you can rest assured it's hard enough to scrape off the bit of that board that I used. Like a thin cardboard, maybe it was 1/8 of an inch thick. Was good for the job, but I'm gonna have to make another one. Just want to show that originally I started this magnet here prior to me getting these rotors protected with zinc. I had put them next to each other and I marked them, so that's my starting point. So this is the one I'm starting with, and I have the same thing on the other one. Now that these magnets are bonded to this rotor, I'm gonna have to be extremely careful. So just to be sure, I'm going to put this as a cover on top. I'm going to use it as a cover so there's no chance of anything going and bond to it. So until I'm ready to pour some resin over the magnets, I'm going to get ready for that. I'm going to make a bit of aluminum tape around the edges, and I'll show you as I go ahead.